Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm here with the COVID-19 chatbot. In last class we made a greeting bot. We put only one question, hello. But in today's video we will put many different questions of COVID-19 bot, like what is COVID-19 and what are the symptoms of COVID-19. So let me show you. I made a COVID-19 chatbot. First we will go to dialogflowcloudgoogle.com. See, now here I will write what is COVID-19. See, it's saying that COVID-19 is the infection disease caused by the most recently diseases. So like this, the chatbot works. Now I will write that what are the symptoms of COVID-19. See, it's saying that the most common symptoms of COVID-19 are fatigue, dry cough and fever. So let's make a chatbot like this. So first we will create an agent and then we will name it as COVID-19 bot. Now we will go to COVID-19 bot settings and we will enable the beta features, API beta features. And then we will save it. It's saved. Now we will go to knowledge base and here we will it to stronger. And then we will create a knowledge base and name is that COVID-19 bot and save it. So now I have created a spreadsheet, COVID-19 spreadsheet, and I have written in it 10 different questions. In column A I have written the questions and in column B I have written the answers. The questions are like what are the symptoms of COVID-19, what is COVID-19, and I will give you the link to open this in the description. So we will go to file here and then we will click on download and we will choose the CSV file type and then we will go back to Dialogflow and flow. In this we can name it as FAQ or I will name it as COVID-19 bot. In the knowledge type we will write FAQ, then we will write CSV. Then we will select a file from the computer and then we will create it. See, it's saying it's working. See, it's saying that the document is saved. Now we will go to intent and then there we will write the question. First let's write what are the symptoms of COVID-19. See, it's saying the most common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, cough and fatigue. Now let's write who is at the most risk at the COVID-19. See, it's saying people aged at 60 are at the most risk. So the chatbot is ready. If you guys like my video, then do subscribe, like, comment and share and hit the bell icon.